Aaron here with Ultraliminal Consulting. Are you ready to be exceptional at your work? Are you ready to be a leader? Not sure how to get there? That's okay. This is for you. This will be the first in our series on leaders are readers. And the first book I wanted to kind of go over, at least touch on one section, was about innovation and leadership, or leadership and innovation, however you want to phrase that. And the book I wanted to kind of talk about very briefly was The Idea Factory, Bell Labs and the Great Age of American Innovation by John Gertner. Looks like this. It's a fantastic book. There will be a link in the show notes below. And if you want, if you own it, you can open up to page 108. And in here, on page 108, we're at a spot where basically the lab is going to develop transistors. And they've got a good working model of them. And now they need to start working on how do they manufacture them and do so in quantity. And so the guy who gets picked to do that, his name is Jack Morton. And he has a great little quote here, a little blurb for him from page 108 through 109 on what innovation actually is. Because in our age, innovation seems to be happening on a daily basis or a weekly basis on whether it be something with AI, some new cell phone, some new technology, some sort of new data processing piece, information, whatever it might be. It's all kind of there. And so, but this is what Jack Morton's definition of innovation was. In his view, innovation was not a simple action, but a total process of interrelated parts. It is not just the discovery of a new phenomena, nor the development of a new product or manufacturing technique, nor the creation of a new market. Rather, the process is all these things acting together in an integrated way toward a common industrial goal. And then later down the page, you have, to Morton, the essential challenges in manufacturing the device were reliability, reproducibility, and designability. Now, as leaders, those things should really hit home, because as a leader, our goal is always what? We're always trying to find ways to make tasks be what? Reliable, reproducible, and then making sure they're very designable in the sense of like the way that you structure how you hand those out. We want to be efficient in that and correct. And so that really boils back well to what we do as leaders, because what we're always trying to do inside the organization is we're trying to find, development of a new product. Well, a new product in our case is just, it's our deliverables. What are you delivering every day as an organization, as a team, as an individual? And so that new product might just be a standard deliverable, but delivered a little bit more quickly, higher quality, and with more nuance, we'll say. And then the manufacturing technique, or is something where that's it's your process. Like, how do you do that? Like, how are you making things more efficient? How are you giving a better product with less work? Time's money. And then when you talk about like discovering like a new phenomena might be like a new piece of software, a new algorithm, a new way of thinking about this product, and maybe a different customer base and who that should be going to. And then from there, the creation of a new market, that's more for like a new customer, whether it be inside or outside the organization. And so then as a leader, what we're looking for, like we said before, is we're always looking for reliability, reproducibility, and designability. And so we're always harkening back to that, because that's what we do with people. We want to develop systems and processes that are highly replicatable between anybody. We want to be able to onboard people efficiently and easily. We want to be able to offload tasks to them quickly and efficiently and accurately. We want to give them good, accurate prioritization, good, effective delegation. So we want to do good expectations, boundaries, resourcing, and follow-up. We want to do that well. And then and that's where our designability comes in, right? Is inside that delegation piece. How will we design delegation in our task setting? And that's important. So we always work on those things. When we think of innovation and leadership, I don't generally think of it as a new tool so much, as more as in the ability of how are we refining what we're doing to make it more, to increase capability, which increases capacity, which then increases competency, and then opens up new areas to look at, that's opening our new markets for our new products, and to discover those new phenomena that might be out there that we're trying to chase down to add on. So it's kind of my thoughts. Hope you like them. We're going to keep this up. I have a couple other books we're going to go through as well. And let me know your thoughts in the show notes below. Till next time.